Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we'll be having a quick training on how to sew a patch pocket. Firstly, I cut out two fabrics, length of 10.5 and the width by 8 inches. Now folding the side and the down part by 0.5 inches. Now the upper part, folding 1 inch 2 times, that is 2 inches in total. Then sew just as seen. Then give it a good press. Having done all this, you'll be left with 8 inches length and 7 inches width. This is the final measurement after I must have folded the necessary parts and ironed it out. The next thing to do is to get your main fabric, your main dress, open up your seam allowance and give it a good press. What I mean is open up the seam and open press it. Yeah, just do as I said. I don't know if you understand it, but yes, just do as I said. Open up your seam allowance, just like saying, then open press it. Once you are done ironing it out, pick up the two pockets, then fold it and press it down. This is to give it a crease line. Yes, this to give it a crease line, and this crease line is very important. This crease line will enable us get our midpoint, which is very important when sewing it down to your dress. Give it a good press just as seen. Our aim of pressing it down is actually to achieve that crease line, and Yola, the crease line is looking at us. Now we are ready to sew down on our main fabric. That place I'm pointing, place the crease line towards that seam allowance. Make sure that they are aligned just as seen. You can use pin to hold it down, or if you can sew without pin, fine, but make sure your pocket crease line align with your main fabric seam allowance line. Now it's time to sew your pocket on your main dress. Now look at how I illustrated. Look at how I'm pointing it. Sew it that way from the up down, then the other side. Just sew it as I illustrated with my finger.